I am here with paid in full cast members who won for Best Video. Lead actor. How you doing?
What's going on?
How you doing, man?
Great. Very happy.
What's up? How you doing?
I had a pretty good evening.
So how's it feel winning Best Video for the amount of work you guys all done?
Very, very great. Very emotional. Very thankful to everybody. Very happy.
I'm about to have a nervous breakdown.
You know, it was a pretty nerve-wracking night. Just sitting there, hoping that we would win, but, you know, it came through, so
Tequila
it was good.
helped.
Yes. Need more of that.
Tequila.
Nick, we all know you do editing a lot, so how does it feel to be behind the camera doing directing?
Well, I do a lot of directing also, so it wasn't too bad. What? Oh, I don't know. No, I love directing. That's what I want to do in the future, so I love it. It's fun.
Nino, you and me come across a long time. You've gone across producing, writing, directing, and now you're AD, so how'd you like being AD?
Oh, I love working with this guy right here, man. He did everything. I like his vision. You know, we pretty much gelled together when it comes to the whole
great.
creative talent. So it's just about it's a humbling experience too. So keep at it, man. We're gonna keep doing it.
Is it a match made in heaven?
Yeah.
You know, seriously, I just met this guy at the beginning of this semester, and we worked so well together. And we already started working on another project, so I see a great future between the two of us. Maybe between these two also.
Is there a sequel at all for this? At all?
Maybe a prequel.
They're saying, but I don't know.
Prequel? You want the prequel?
I just think there was, you know what I mean? People are wondering about the mother, you know?
They are wondering about the mother.
You know what I mean? I think
there's
that
a lot of backstory between the mother, so.
There's enough for a feature story. Enough for a two
a
story,
lot of-
so hopefully we'll get picked up in a festival or something.
a lot of it came out in the subtext, you know? Maybe you want to keep that in consideration.
No, seriously, like there wasn't even a mother in the story. This guy made it up.
Yeah,
Rehearsal.
that was improv.
Which was great though. It was great.
How'd you like that little car you were about to buy in the movie?
That was sweet. That was sweet.
Scratched it all up.
For the record, that is my brother's car.
Yeah, I don't know.
And my dad was angry.
I think I don't know. I think they're tripping. I don't remember scratching that car, but.
Because I saw you touch that car numerous times during the movie, so how does it feel now? You want it back?
Well, I don't know. My mother always said if I touch something too many times, I'll go blind. But so that's why I like working with Nick, you know, because we only took a few takes, you know.
Oh yeah.
He knows what he wants, you know.
That's good.
So,
Yeah, but the thing is, although I only took a few takes, this guy would ramble on for like seriously, it would be like a quarter of a page, and he would go on for like 3 minutes, which in screen time.
So how many extra language and words did you use in the movie?
Okay, it was supposed to be a 4-minute movie. This guy turned it into what, 30, 40?
actually, my vision and his vision clashed a little bit in the length. I thought it was going to be a feature. When I auditioned for it, I thought it was a feature, and then I come to realize, you know, that the shoot schedule was only a few days, and I'm like, wait a second, how can you do a feature in that little time? So my idea was to stretch out each scene, so that it would, you know, altogether be about an hour and a half, you know.
All I want to say personally, you guys did an excellent job in each category you did, so I want to compliment you that, and I hope to look for you guys in the future, maybe a sequel or a prequel.